Immaculate Ranch on private country setting with over 5 acres. Located in highly sought-after Howell School District. Open floor plan with vaulted ceilings. Beautiful kitchen with custom cabinets and granite countertops. Custom-built family room with lots of windows, set just off the dining room with gas fireplace. With over 2,000 square foot, this home boasts 3 bedrooms and 2.1 baths. Large master bedroom with gorgeous master bath with double sinks and walk-in shower. Full walkout basement. Laundry room/mudroom just off of the 2-car attached garage. Plus 30 by 48 pole barn with concrete and 220 electric, above ground pool for those hot summer days. Acreage is open and usable. On border of Howell Schools with Hartland buses also. Home has geothermal heating and cooling. Propane heater is off and is used as a storage tank preheated by Geo Thermal. Come and bring the family to this must-see one-of-a-kind gorgeous home.